Every person present here has played a part in their life, whether as family, friends, mentor, or companion. Your presence today is not just a gesture of support, but a symbol of the love and community that will continue to surround them in their marriage life. There will be sunshine and laughter, but also storm that tests their strength. Yet as we celebrate their union today, we know that bride Miss P.K. Samatia and groom Mr. B.P. Mina have built a foundation of love, trust, and respect that will carry them through everything up to life challenge and celebrating each other.
ได้รู้ว่าจะต้องไปครอบครัวฮะไปที่ก็เอาไปอยากสนิท
With all our heart